One of the most simple gifts I can give that gives me great pleasure in giving, and I know people enjoy receiving, is a smile.
It's so important to smile in order for you to be able to feel positive, happy emotions. Even if you're not feeling them in the moment. It may seem a little cheesy or inauthentic, but it's not. Because when you smile, it'll shift your body language and it'll start making you feel a lot better.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Your smile is your most effective method of communication. It transcends all language barriers.
A smile is the key to open the door you thought you could never get through.
One of the greatest techniques I learned on the road to success is Smile Talk. I learned that it was a way for me to manage my environment and manage my attitude. The smile is the secret weapon of success.
Pass it on. Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Yeah, I like to smile, but it isn't quite that easy at my age anymore.
Things aren't going right, and they're not going the way you want to. Just smile. Think of all the money you're going to make.
And the beauty of a smile is that if you keep giving out smiles to the universe, the day you feel bummed out and a little bit gloomy and down and a little bit in dread, somebody that you sent out a smile to is going to see you, feel your core essence, smile at you. It's going to force you to smile, and you're going to instantaneously feel better. Let's get everybody to smile everywhere, always.
Pass it on. Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
Pass it on.
A smile is what creates atmosphere. Atmosphere does not come out of thin air. Somebody has to create atmosphere. And tell me a quicker, easier way to create some atmosphere than a big smile.
What a journey. Let me cut to the chase, because this isn't the end of the journey, not by a long shot. This is where it truly begins. And one sure way to maximize your effectiveness is to do the following. First, take a good, solid, realistic look at where you're at today. Look in the areas of wealth, inspiration, success, and happiness. And get real honest with yourself. What's your starting point on these areas of a scale of 1 to 10? Say 1 is lousy and 10 is mastery. Where are you starting? Then accentuate the positive. The high numbers, pat yourself on the back, that's good stuff. Next, illuminate the negatives. Shine the light on those areas with the low numbers where when you could illuminate them, you could start working towards eliminating them. Now, how do you do that? By applying these mentors' ideas. Take right action on these things. Move closer and closer to being that perfect 10.
There it is. Our journey has taken us through 4 vaults filled with mentors and inspirational leaders, where they've shared openly, in their own words, some of their wisdom for living a life of sustained abundance. And now, together, we challenge you to learn it,
Live it,
and pass it on.
This is the life we're all destined for. Step into it. Let it happen.
You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Find your magnificent obsession and take it all the way to the end of the road.
The greatest thrill in life is to take your success and your happiness and pass it on.